Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can export your project as a MP3 format in CapCut PC. So after you finish editing the video, you can click export button in the top right corner and you can find the option right here and you can turn on the export audio and select format. Just click MP3. But if you want to save both the video and the audio, you can turn on the video exporting. Yeah, change for the title and change for the resolution, frame rate, and etc. And just click export. But if you want to export the audio only, just turn off the video exporting. Just turn on the export audio. Just click export and click export open folder to find your exported data. This is your exported. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.